Hello everyone. In this part we will cover topic plains. A plain is a flat and low-lying land surface. They are also called lowlands. Now let's see what are plains and why do we call it lowlands. Suppose this is the area, this is a class. So this area is lowland as well as plain. Why do we call it plain? Because it is flat surface. That is why it is also known as low-lying land or as well as lowlands. They can be level or slightly hilly. Now sometimes some plains are level, which is like this, as well as it can be slightly hilly this way. So it is slightly hilly and the slope of the land is gentle, means it is not having the steep slope, it is gentle slope. That is why that is also a category of plain, right? Then plain may be formed by the deposition of sand and silt by rivers. Now let's see what is this. Suppose this is a river, it is carrying sand material with it, and while its lower course, during the lower course of its this river, it deposit all this material, this sand and silt material to the nearby the bank of the river. This material which has been carried in its upper course is deposited nearby the river bank, and this area where this material is being deposited is known as plain. And if we see the northern plains of India, जो इंडिया के northern plains हैं, they are the example of that kind of plains only. They are formed by the deposition of sand and silt material which was carried by the rivers. Now river carry sand and silt with them. When the rivers slow down, these materials are deposited on their banks and plains are formed by these deposits. A river has its three courses: upper course, middle course or lower course. During the upper course, the speed of water is high. During the middle course, it is little less, and during the lower course, it's very slow. So while initially in the upper course, this river carries sand material, rocks, everything with it, and during the lower course it deposits everything, that sand material, silt material, rocks and all, deposited to the bank of its river. नदियों के किनारे पे deposit कर देता है, and sometimes these plains are formed by this procedure only. Some plains in the interior of continents, while some are near the sea coast. Some plains sometimes it is interior inside and of continent, and while some are near the sea coast also. Plains are more thickly populated than mountains and plateaus. Let's see this, what they are telling. Plains are thickly populated comparatively mountains and plateaus. जो प्लेन एरियाज़ हैं वो एरियाज़ थिकली पॉपुलेटेड होते हैं, इंस्टीड ऑफ माउंटेन एरियाज़ एंड प्लेटो एरियाज़ आर not that much thickly populated. Now let's see why. Some importance are there of plains. So plains have fertile soil and which is suitable for agriculture. As one reason why these plains are thickly populated, means maximum people settle near the plains, in the plains only, because it has fertile soil which is suitable for agriculture. So most ancient civilization also came in the existence, and which we have found near the bank of the river only. Most big cities and towns are located in the plains. Maximum big cities which are there and as well as towns also are in the plains only. It is easier to construct roads. It becomes easy to construct roads, railways, aerodromes, canals in the plains. Now if somebody tell you to construct road here on the mountain, on the plateau or on the plain, which will be easy? It is easier to construct it here. That is why plains are more thickly populated, and these all are the importance of plain. Our next topic is desert and rivers. These two topics are left that we'll cover in the next part. By the time you are supposed to find the exercise of these part which we have covered.